So my wife and I had a meeting with our investment broker about her 403b, and she retired last year, and we went in and had this meeting with him, and he asked me what I was looking to get out of, like what kind of return I was looking to get with other investments that we were talking about that I was going to do, or I am doing, and my wife is going to do and is doing. Um, I told him I wanted to make between 15 and 25%. And without laughing at me out loud, he, I'm not dumb. He politely told me that on average per year, like you're doing well if you get like 8 to 12%, sometimes 15 if you're lucky, in the investments that he had us in. And, you know, it belittled me, it knocked me down. But I know because I've learned how to do certain investments and I've invested in myself, that I will make way more than that 15 to 25%. Like just on this investment, yes, I have 3 years of labor into it. Yes, I have some, a good chunk of money into it. By the time we're done, I'll probably have, I don't know, probably 70,000 into it ish. Um, if I add up everything, which I will when we're done, I'm keeping track of everything. But um, there's going to be 4 suites in here, and to take a mortgage on this, to not to the full value that it's going to be, but to take a small mortgage on this property that we paid cash for. I mean, we took a home equity loan through our, to whatever to pay cash. Um, but we'll pay off that loan plus the credit card debt that we've gained through doing this. Um, we only have to say for round numbers, say we take a mortgage that's 125,000 ish, okay, and our mortgage payment monthly payment is 1,200 ish, all right. So to hit the 1,200, say our nightly stay here in one suite is on average $200, because the one downstairs is going to be less than $200 because it's small. These two upstairs are going to probably be over $200 a night because they're going to be really, really high end, nice. Nothing that like anything around here. So you take an average of $200. So we need to, out of the 4 suites, we need to rent 2 nights per week, per month. Stay with me. So 2 nights in this house a week. That's $400 times 4 weeks is $1,600. That's all we need to do. And I'm pretty sure we can rent more than that per week, but that will cover our mortgage. And it will be under the LLC so that it's off of our name and it's under the LLC. We pay off our debt. We don't have anything, we don't have any more debt other than our mortgage on the farm, which then we can hammer down because my goal is that we're booked at least 3 or 4 nights a week in multiple rooms. So, like, you can add that up and figure that all out. Like, so by that, him telling me that it's really hard to do that, if I cover the mortgage just on 2 nights per week times 4 weeks in a month, anything over that is way more profit. And on my crypto investments, I'm buying them low, and I have to wait for the swing, for the reversal, and all that stuff. But on some of them, I've already made 50%. Some of them, if I hold them, I will make a lot more than that because we're in crypto winter. And my wife has learned about trading stocks and reading charts, and she's starting to figure it out. And she's already made 50% on one trade, pulled her initial investment out, plus a little bit, plus still has some riding on that stock. And she has multiple little stocks that she's practicing on, and she is blowing that 12% out of the water. So what I'm telling you at the end of the day is invest in yourself. Learn how to do this stuff. My thinking is, I used to think, well, I can't do that. Somebody needs to go to college to know how to invest my money. Well, nobody's going to care about my money as much as I do. And if they can do that, why can't I learn how to invest my own money? So that's what we've done. We've both learned how to do that. We're still learning how to do that. It doesn't come overnight, but neither does a college degree. Like, you have to give 2 years, 4 years, 8 years, 10 years of your life to get a degree because you have to learn all this stuff. Well, if it takes us a year or two to really get good at investing our money, it didn't cost us much of nothing. It sure as heck didn't cost me what a college would. It cost me some books and some online courses. So I hope that helps you out. I hope that you can start learning about investing yourself, investing your own money. At some points, you do need other people to help you invest your money. I get that. I'm completely on board with that. But right now, I feel like I need to catch up, so I want bigger returns. That doesn't mean bigger chances, like you invest more. You do it safely. It's not gambling. You do it safely, and once you double your money, take your initial investment out. It didn't cost you anything. Let the rest ride. If that keeps going up, you just made bank. Pull it out. Take out your profits. Put it in another asset that's undervalued, that nobody's looking at. Learn this stuff, man. That's all I'm telling you. With that, get to know a farmer. I love you. I'll see you on the next one.